Okay. Namaste. Namaste. 法官，We love you。法官，大家请接。
对，对着镜头，对，对一点。好，再搞。
We love you，法官。We love you，法官。
Love you so much.
非常爱你们。
法官。We love you，法官。
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, special deepening process. I got witness consciousness, the big bird. Is it helpful to make my divine more physical to stay with big bird? How can I stay with the big bird longer time easily? Thank you, Bhagwan.
You could develop a bird's eye view or a worm's eye view of people and events. As you keep developing a bird's eye view or incidents in your life, slowly you would move into the big bird. Initially, it would be for short durations of time, but later on, it becomes almost all the time.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, oneness teaches stay with what is as long as possible. On the other hand, we have to pray for the better situation. It seems kind of conflict. Please give us clarity. Thank you, Bhagwan.
If you could stay with the what is, that is the most wonderful situation. If you cannot do that, change the what is by praying.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Is our Antaryami the same as the universal divine, or are they different, Bhagwan? Thank you, Bhagwan.
They are the same and not the same. The universal divine manifests inside you as the Antaryaman. Ice and water are the same and not the same. It is something like that.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Beloved Bhagwan, there are people totally dominated by the mind in our society. They often tell lies and only concern about their own interest. On the spiritual level and internally, I could see clearly these are the characters of the mind. That seeing brings acceptance and peace. However, on the external level, I don't know how to deal with these people, for example, in work and life. My direct communication with openness and honesty are often being made use of. Could you shine light on this point, please? Thank you, Bhagwan.
If your heart has flowered, you would not have any problem with the external world. If your heart is not transformed and you only come from the head, you are sure to have problems. In that case, you must know how to deal with the external world.
Thank you so much. You gave us the short way of awakening, transformation, and God realization in December 2013. In the eternal growth journey, people always want to get the best result without effort. Could you please tell us what we should prepare before we get the short way? Thank you, Bhagwan.
Working on your relationships is the shortest way to get the short way.
Both the process that to stay with uncomfortable feeling and experience the emotion completely, and the process that to stay with what is and experience what is, are all bring the heart flowering. Is there any difference between them, Bhagwan? Thank you, Bhagwan.
Every process ultimately leads to the flowering of the heart. Once the heart has flowered, you know what it is to live, and life around you changes. The external world responds very differently to you.
Dear Bhagwan, what is the relation between spiritual or awakening and my reality life? Thank you, Bhagwan.
When you are awakened, you become spiritual. When you become spiritual, you get the best out of real life. Everything in real life is very, very enjoyable, like drinking a glass of water, walking or talking, or doing a job or your business. Everything gives you energy. You start celebrating life.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Bhagavan,
谢谢。
one's life is including of birth and death, which is because of one's karma or choice of one's soul, Bhagavan.
It is both karma and choice. If there is no choice, there is no life at all. The essence of man is total and complete freedom. In that space of freedom, man could experience infinite possibilities. It is that freedom which we call life. It is that freedom which we call God. If that freedom were not there, there is no life, there is no God. But karma, to some extent, limits your freedom.
Thank you, Bhagavan. Beloved Bhagavan, I love and benefit from your teachings. Meanwhile, I like Buddhist scriptures. I have a question, Bhagavan. What is the difference between oneness, Buddhism, and other faiths? How can I balance and make choice? Thank you, Bhagavan.
Oneness is not some independent thing. The essence of oneness is freedom. You could choose whatever teaching you want. You could choose whatever teacher you want. You could choose whatever practice you want. Oneness would help you to realize those teachings. It could be Buddhist or Taoist or Islamic or Christian teaching, or it could be your own teaching. Oneness merely helps you to realize your teachings through a change in your brain. We are essentially rewiring your brain. That is all we do. The choice is yours.
Bhagavan, thanks for telling us 2014 is a wealth year, and according to the Chinese tradition, today is the day to welcome the god of fortune. You said poverty and prosperity both starts from thought level. Bhagavan, I have been fighting with poverty all along and never ever understand what poverty is. Could you please explain to me what poverty is? Thank you, Bhagavan.
Poverty at the level of thought is all the time focusing on what you do not have. Wealth consciousness at the level of thought is focusing on what you have. If you have wealth consciousness, you would naturally become wealthy. You will see opportunities everywhere. Things would dramatically change for you. In your case, I would straight away bless you to acquire wealth consciousness and become wealthy.
Amma Bhagavan, Happy New Year. Thank you very much for helping my relationship and help to change automatically. I got tremendous grace after the advanced trainer course and the special deepening. I would love to share oneness and help fellow seekers, but my expression is stuck, and I worry that if I share the teaching, my expression will not be clear enough. I deeply love oneness and want to devote myself to oneness, but I still have these charges. So how do I share oneness? Please guide me. Thank you very much, Bhagavan.
I will straight away change that for you.
Thank you, Bhagavan. Dear
谢
Bhagavan,
谢爸。
we understand that the mind has 6 needs. So how do we satisfy the needs of the mind without having attachment? Thank you, Bhagavan.
It is important that you fulfill these 6 needs. Initially, start with attachment. As all the needs get fulfilled, attachment would drop away of its own accord. You should not try to drop attachment. That would become indifference. It should naturally happen to you. And that would happen once all the needs are fulfilled.
Thank you, dear Bhagavan. We hear a lot of great miracles of the 3 chambers in India and other countries. When will this process start in mainland China? Would you initiate a special version of it for China? Thank you, Bhagavan.
It would soon start in China. The divine has given us the go-ahead.
Could you please tell us what we should do to support the golden age in 2014? What's China's role for the world in 2014? Thank you, Bhagavan.
Just wait and see. Tremendous things are going to happen. You're going to enjoy all that. So let the excitement be there. Love you all. Special blessings to all of you. May you become very, very wealthy in this year. On this day, the blessings to you is for wealth. Love you all. Love you so much.
非常非常爱大家。